Hello guys, welcome back to Ari Academy. This is your faculty Sudarshan for your maths paper in CA, CMA and cseet foundation level. Our today's short trick is partial fraction. Partial fraction we have done, we are using different methods. But in the partial fraction, very easy in single step you can do. You can write equal to log of x minus 2 to log of x minus 3 plus c. It is an algebraic function. Okay, it is based on algebra. So what you need to do, what is here? X is equal x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Substitute 2 in this equation. Substitute 3 into 2 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 2 is 0. That's algebraic function. அதை remove பண்ணிடும். X minus 2 இல்லாம x minus 3 ல மட்டும் apply பண்ணா 2 minus 3. Finally, it will become 8 minus 1. It will become minus 8. I will put minus 8 here. Then I will substitute x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by, I will substitute in this part 3 minus 2. It will become 9 plus 2 is 11 by 1 is equal to 11. Upper and in the plus 11 log. My final answer is going to be like this. This trick will applicable only when I have x minus 2 and x minus 3. Suppose when I have x minus 2 the whole square, x minus 3 in the trick use agar. It is only applicable when two simple equations are given. That is, two simple algebraic terms are given. That is x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 4. Anything which you are given under the partial fraction, you can do this method. Thank you. See you in another day with good tricks. Follow up, share to your friends. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.